In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with 1password and also introduce you to a great free alternative. If you're ready to dive into the world of password management, then you're in the right place. Let's take this journey together. First, let's begin by visiting the 1password website. You can easily find it by typing 1password into your search engine, or by navigating directly to their site. Once there, you'll see plenty of information about their password management services, including secure notes, form filling, and more. It's worth taking a few moments to skim through the main page to get a sense of what they offer. Understanding the features can really help you utilize the tool to its full potential. Next, you'll need to create an account. This is crucial as it sets up your personal access point into the secure 1password system. Creating an account is a straightforward process. Simply locate the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually prominently displayed on the home page, and follow the prompts. You'll need to input some basic information like your email and create a strong master password. Make sure your master password is something you can remember, but also unique enough to secure your entire vault of credentials. Remember, this is the key that unlocks all your passwords. After you've set up your account, the next step is to install the 1password apps. Depending on your device, you can download the app on your smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Having the app readily available on your devices ensures that you have access to your passwords anytime, anywhere. This installation is usually simple. Just follow the download instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, log in using your account credentials, and you're ready to start entering your passwords. Now that you have the app, it's time to organize your passwords using vaults. Vaults are essentially folders where you can categorize your passwords. This feature is particularly useful if you want to separate personal accounts from business ones, or categorize by family members. To create a vault, navigate to your 1password dashboard, where you should find options to add or manage vaults. It's helpful to create specific vaults with descriptive names, enabling quick access to the information you need without sifting through endless entries. These simple steps will ensure that your digital life remains secure and organized. But in case you're looking for a free alternative, there are other options like Bitwarden, which offers great features at no cost. It's always good to explore other platforms before making a decision. Whichever option you choose, remember that keeping your passwords safe is a significant step toward better cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.